Hello, Sula here from MistyHilltops.com. Thanks for stopping by. I started working on a 4x6 autumn mini album this week, and I want to take you through the process of creating the pages for it. This is my first page that I titled Hello Autumn, and I'm using pictures from a recent walk as things are finally starting to look like autumn. So to create the pages for this album, I'm using the digital version of the collection Hello Autumn by Carta Bella and some dies. So I have this little autumn title that it just comes with it's a die and it'll be matted, and right now I have to deal with my glue as it was still a little clogged up, but I'm just applying glue to the widest parts of the word, and then now I'm mounting it on a background there. These are dies that come with the word and then the background. And then, so this is a 4x6 album, and so I created everything, I designed everything in the Silhouette, so Silhouette Studio. So I just created the pages basically, and then I clipped the papers to it, printed everything out, created a page of embellishments that I printed out on cardstock, heavy-duty cardstock, so to make them more like chipboard elements that go on my page. So I like to mix things up. Most of it is pretty thin, but not plain copy paper. It is thicker than normal copy paper, so it works well, and I print a lot of embellishments that way too, mostly the ones that are easy to cut out by just hand, but the ones that are more intricate designs I put on a cardstock then that I use my Silhouette to cut out. And actually there's a video on how I get perfect print and cuts, and once again I was very, very satisfied with how my Silhouette was cutting around the elements that I wanted it to cut out. And so that method works really well, and you can find it on my blog MistyHilltops.com, or I'll leave the link to it in the description box below. So anyway, I'm starting here with a little die cut circle, and on which then I add the title there, Hello Autumn, and it's actually from two different die cut sets. The Hello is from one set, obviously, because it's a different style, even like, but I cut it out twice to have it one with a white frame, same as the matte for the autumn word, but I just didn't like it so much, so I kept it with a dark brown that I was using there for the word hello. So anyway, then on this side, on the other page, I'm starting by putting the flags down, and as usual I make sure that all my papers are like the edges are roughened up, not the main background paper, the big one, because where they touch on the side, like the edge of the background page, I usually don't roughen it up, but whatever is in the middle of the page I will. I just found it gives a lot more contrast to the papers and the backgrounds of the papers and stuff. So this is, I'm working with a digital version of the very real collection, Hello Autumn from Carta Bella. And for example, this very element was just a journaling card, but I gave it, I just clipped off the corners to make it almost look like a tag instead. I didn't bother with putting a hole in there, but I just wanted it to look slightly different than the other one, which is also a journaling card. And that's the beauty of working with the digital collections, because I can resize everything and it just works beautifully. I work with small designs. I don't work with big 12 by 12 pages. I never scrap 12 by 12 designs, and so I'm super happy to be able to just print things out in the sizes that I need it to be, and for my designs they need to be small, and I can just pull these elements into the Silhouette Studio and size them exactly for the need that I needed on my page. And so here I'm adding a few more embellishments, and some of them are prints and some of them are more dies. And when I say prints, then again, some of them, like if it's a plain circle, I run it through one of my circle dies. If it is a more intricate design, like you see that little label there in the background, I use my silhouette to cut that out. So anyway, this is my page done, and I realized my camera was really like acting up, but it still recorded everything, and so I think it was, I just kept it this way. Anyway, I'm going to leave you with some more close-ups. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Consider subscribing, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.